This is Junkyard Revival. And the amount of protection that that provides is pretty incredible. If your car has an inside, you need vinyl leather cleaner. Maybe we can do some videos on my truck. It's so dirty. This all of it. We need to open this still. Here's the key. You have to let the air out of it first. Well, maybe. No wonder you couldn't get it open. It's pretty tight. Oh, okay. Might have been a little too much. Let me see if Jared's up here sleeping. And he's probably taking a nap. Oh well, yeah, he's sleeping. We won't wake him up. This guy right here hardly does any work. Let's see if we can get him on camera actually doing any work. What are you doing, buddy? Orders. Exactly what I said you was doing. Maybe we'll go to Starbucks and get us a little juice. Maybe even stop at Home Depot. Got the mystery sale getting ready to pop off, and see about getting something for a huge golden bucket.
Here's the matcha, and here's the Americano.
Awesome, thank you.
All right, you guys have a good rest of your
You
day.
too, thanks. Okay, let's see if we can find somebody something cool to go in a gold mystery bucket. I guess it would be freaking cool. That's probably a little big. Be tough to ship. I mean, this one's definitely cooler. I mean, people would be pumped you buy a mystery bucket and got that. Yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah, Delcar, can I help you?
We're gonna use it out here today, and then when we get done, I'll just leave it bottle. You guys can use it on whatever you need.
Cool. Yeah, this
I got the old Ford mower going together.
This was in, I believe, this magazine.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just the same tractor you had. Somebody found it at
Exactly same.
big car show.
I've got mine. I got it lowered.
Got it lowered. That's in your new garage?
Yep. Had to cut it off and make new stuff to shift it with, because I made the mower deck handle the shifter.
Nice.
Yeah. So I'm gonna be looking for more mowers out here. See what else you guys got out here.
Oh, it was burning because
This way I got something else to do.
Okay.
it was funny.
Bunch of junk.
Oh man, I need that.
Some more bunch of junk.
Old pistons.
So yeah, take those 3 boxes. See what
Oh, perfect.
Let me go with that.
I appreciate you thinking about me. This is how my wife's gonna kill me. She thinks I've just become the new Junkyard. I was like, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna get with it, and we'll stop back in and see you on our way out. I try to find something to use this vinyl leather cleaner on too. The vinyl, dirty. Abby, as lovely as she is, has somehow managed to find probably the worst vehicle that we've ever seen here. Yeah, get on in here real good. We've got dead carcass maybe of some sort. Get the seat real, show exactly how dirty we're dealing with here. That way people realize that this isn't just, she was like, oh, this has vinyl in it. So it does, and it's horrible. This part right here is like super freaking corroded and dirty, and I'm going to put vinyl leather to the test on that. One little product I think we highlighted last time too is our little Scrub Ninja. Great little scrubber for vinyl and leather. So we're going to put it to test here and see if we can get it to work on this. Yeah.
I would simply maneuver myself into this corner right over here.
You can, but just be careful because that shit's falling in there. Come out of there, varmints. Okay, so Abby's positioned herself up in this nasty van, and I'm gonna try to see if this will even do anything to this area. I'm gonna really, really saturate it because it is really, really dirty. So I can already tell it is cleaning it pretty well. Wow. I mean, you can see on just that little spot, I'm gonna leave the up and down below it. That way you can see just how bad it is. I'll move out of here so Abby can get in this. So you can see just with one pass with the Scrub Ninja and vinyl leather, and it tore right through that. Pretty impressive because that stuff is like, I mean, it's still dirty underneath there, but it has took away all the main stuff. And this right here, if we went at it again, we'll probably take some of that away too. But I guess that was a good find for you. This is another area that's always bad on cars. This one, exceptionally bad. And I mean, look at this. This has got like some wadded up hair. I mean, I may freaking apply for severance pay or something. But this is like the area that this stuff is made for. Now this is extreme, but you're talking about in your day-to-day car, you get buildup on these. I do, from your arms hitting them. It's not like this, but it can get built up and pretty nasty on there. And this right here is, this product, we always want to try to highlight it because man, it will just cut through some of this nasty, nasty stuff with very, very, you let the product do the work and it'll cut right through that stuff, and it'll take what was like destroyed and really, I mean, look at this. This is what it was on there. This is what this was like. And with one pass, it's like new. So vinyl and leather cleaner. If we haven't said it once, we've said it again. This is a product everybody needs. If you got an inside, if your car has an inside, you need vinyl and leather cleaner. Nice day out here to be out here. We got some new products to freaking try and see if we can mess with. We also have a product that we've been asked about for a long time, and we've actually been working on it for a long time, on and off for a couple years. It's called Defense, which is just a liquid spray-on sealant that as you're washing your car, when it's still wet, you spray this sealant on it and then just hose it off. So literally spray on, hose off, and add some instant protection. Great for wheels also, to protect your wheels. You know, wheels are a pain to try to get in and get every nook and cranny, but you can spray this in there and it'll add some protection right off the bat. It's going to be hard to show exactly how great that works because you really need to spray it on and pressure wash it off, but we'll show you an example with this. Obviously out here in the junkyard, this is our pressure washer, is the IK sprayer. So we won't have a pressure washer to hose it and show all the crazy effects, but we'll try to show you on a hood exactly what it does. We'll demonstrate it on the hood of this van here. This is very dirty. Obviously, if you were doing this, you would just wash the vehicle. You can see right now there is zero beading going on, but that's pretty common because there's a lot of dirt on there. So we're just gonna wipe it down with the towel to get the dirt off. This would be as you are washing the car. Once it's washed and you've rinsed it off, this would be your last step. So like a wax, it's a paint sealant that you just spray on and hose off, and you'll be able to see the immediate beading that takes place. So you can see there is no beading, a little better than it was with all the dirt on there. No beading. Just very dull, no protection. take the fence, and hose this off. And the amount of protection that that provides just from spraying on, hosing off, is pretty incredible. This is going to be a product that really becomes super popular for someone that wants to add protection, even detailers. I mean, you know, this is a form of protection that is creating a barrier, but it's that for that express wash, you want to do it fast and efficient for the customer. This is a product, I mean, that's pretty impressive for just a spray on, hose off form of protection. That's why this product is going to really become super popular real fast, because immediate spray on, hose off, you've got noticeable protection on the paint. When you're going down the road, the wind's hitting that, it's blowing it off. We're really excited about this product. What we're going to do, anybody that comments on this video, we're going to pick one comment out of the video. We will send you a defense kit for free. We're going to pick one random comment that comments on the video, and we'll send you a defense kit, because this product really is a true spray on, hose off form of protection. It's pretty impressive.